Hi all, how are you? Welcome back to Tech. Today we are going to talk about data and its importance. Yeah, we know that data is a powerful tool that can help us make informed decisions. But it is important to remember that data itself is not only the only thing that matters. The reason why we are missing certain pieces of data are more meaningful than the data we have. So the data we miss and why we miss that data, those pieces of data, there is a hidden meaning for even the data we have collected. So when you're analyzing data, it is easy to become fixated on the numbers and you forget to consider the context in which you collected that data. For example, take an example. If a company is missing data on a certain demographic, we can say they didn't consider a certain group when they were collecting that data. It means that there could be a reason, either they are not effectively reaching that group or because they don't have the effort to collect data from that group. Then at the end of the day, if you don't consider a certain group, your data is skewed. In these cases, the missing data can tell more about the company's priorities and biases than the data they have itself. So this highlights the areas where they need to improve their data collection methods, and it shows where they may be falling short in their efforts to be inclusively represented. So at some point you feel like, yes, we have data, but that data is not enough. You're making decisions on data which is not enough. You may find that the important groups you didn't collect data on, they are the priorities that should have been taking up the company's decision. So in addition, missing data can also be an indication that you're lacking resources, you're lacking understanding about the importance of the data you collect. In these cases, it may be more important to focus on building a capacity and knowledge around data collection. We shouldn't look at the data we already have. Build the capacity and knowledge how you collect that data. If it is a system, look at how does that system collect data. Then you will know now the integrity or the usefulness of the data you have. But the moment you want to beat the course and you receive the data that is not enough, you're going to make decisions every time you'll be feeling like what we have is not enough. The decisions we are making or the person making the decisions is not capable enough. But the thing is, you're using data that is not enough and you're leaving out the data that may have been a priority in the business decision making. So in conclusion, I put it in this way, that data is a powerful tool, but it is important to remember that the data itself is not only thing that matters. Understanding the reason behind why we are missing certain pieces of data can just be as important as the data we have. So it allows to identify the biases, improve data collection methods, and make better decisions based on the more complete picture. So I remain as Sabit Christopher on Subtech Online. Please make sure that you leave us a comment, subscribe, and come back next time. We meet in the next video. Bye bye.